Hello YouTubers. Got my forge fired up. It's been too long. Got a project to do for a good friend of mine. Got my tongs and my hammer, my gloves, my anvil's right over here. I've kind of moved stuff around, I think, since the last video I made on my blacksmithing. What I'm going to do is I've got this old ball-peen hammer. Picked it up at one of those garage sales I go to, and what I want to do is make a hide scraper out of it. So I'm going to flatten this side out, bring it out, give it a little bit of an arc this way and a radius this way, so that when I put the handle back in it, he can hold it like this and scrape the hair off of hides, because he's making some buckskin. And we're having trouble getting a tool to do that hair scraping business. So I'll get my forge heated up, start working on this baby. Bring you back when the fun begins. Okay, I've got that baby good and hot. I let it soak in there in the heat for a while. What I want to do is spread the metal to make it longer right now. So hopefully I can use my cross peen and the horn might be able to hold it better that way. Nope. Let's heat her up some more. Might have to figure out some better way of holding this thing. Try a different set of tongs. I don't think these are going to be the answer. We'll give them a try. Try a different pair. We're flattening it out a little bit. Made it a little longer. We're getting narrower, and we're getting that radius that I want on the end. But we're also getting what they call fish lips on there. See how the outside edges are rolling over the actual end? Spray that. I'm hoping, I think I'm going to draw that out some more to make it a little bit thinner. It's a little thick. Okay, I have my fullering tool setting on my anvil, and what I want to do is this right around here where you see that groove. I want to go all the way around there and make that a little bit cleaner and more pronounced. I've got my 3/8 round fullering in there, but I've got to get this hot in the center, not out here. You can see the rough edge here. That's because I got it too hot there and burnt some of that steel off. That did some good. Let's get her heated up again. You can kind of see the groove I'm putting around the head there. I hope. Thing doesn't want to focus. That'll be a nice place when you're grabbing hold of the top of it to scrape. See, I have 3/8 inch rounds welded to the mating surfaces. I'm going to switch to my 1/2 inch. I think The 1/2 inch will do a little better job of what I'm wanting to do. I think that's looking better. I think I'll do that another time and then reshape the blade on it, get that ready to go. Okay, I've got another little accessory on here that I've made. It's got a pretty large radius right here. And that's what I want. I'll see if it's enough, because I've got other swage blocks that I could put up here and get even more of a radius on that. I think I need to make some more tongs. I think I want a little bit more of a radius than that, so I'm going to get a different swage block up there. Okay, here's one of the swage blocks I've made. It's got a little bit more of a radius right there. Really hard to hold this thing. Hope you can see the little cup shape and the radius on the end. I think I'm going to go for a little bit more of a cup, So I'll rotate that around to a little tighter circle.